After installing a nice new sink, I realized that the drain pipe does not line up with the P-trap and wall pipe. My old sink drain was further away from the wall compared to this new sink. There's no more room to push the P-trap back. The only way to fix this is to shorten the drain pipe coming out of the wall. After measuring, I learned that it needs to be shortened by at least 2.5 inches. In order for me to start working on this, I went ahead and moved the air conditioning drain pipe out of the way. Next up, I'm going to loosen and pull out the P-trap as well. Unfortunately, it was tightened really hard and I couldn't loosen it by hand. I went ahead and grabbed my channel locks to break the grip. And of course, that did the trick. P-traps will almost certainly have water trapped in them, so I made sure I have a bucket underneath to dump the water out and avoid a mess. Now in order to shorten this pipe, I'm going to need to cut it and install this new P-trap adapter. I found this at my local home improvement store. It is a black ABS just like the one coming out of the wall. It is important that I use the same material. To cut the pipe, I have these two hand saws. I'll have the links to these in the description of the video if you'd like to also own one or both of these. They are slightly different. One is flexible and is designed to make flush cuts. The other one is stiffer and is designed to make regular cuts. This handsaw worked perfectly in this very tight space. Now before I can attach the trap adapter, I need to clean and prep the surface. This paint will not allow the adapter to bond correctly to the surface of this pipe. I went ahead and used sandpaper to sand away the paint on the surface. It took some effort and some time, but eventually I got down to a nice clean and sanded surface. To bond the trap adapter, I'll be using this black ABS cement. But if you need to bind different material pipes, you will need a different cement type. Unfortunately, I accidentally forgot to press record during the bonding step. But here it is bonded together. And here's the drain fully assembled together as well. And of course, it now lines up perfectly with the sink drain hole. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video informative.